Hear about that motor.
Okay. Well, it started out with being a 350 in a truck. And a lot of the trucks have 4-bolt main blocks, Chevy block. And we took the block, stripped it down, run it through the cleaner, cleaned it up, knocked out all the freeze plugs, and oil galley plugs, and cam bearings, and every bolt, every dial. Cleaned it super good, and then we rebored it 30 over, and then we fluffed on it a little bit and clearanced it for the stroker assembly. The stroke's a 1/4 inch longer, you see, on a 383. It uses basically a 400 crankshaft to fit in the block. And well, after we give it a real good massage, we got another cleaning job. Still rolling?
Yeah, obviously.
Okay.
So it sounds a little louder, yeah.
And laid the thing up on the table, and then installed the cam bearings in it, and the freeze plugs, oil galley plugs, and we're ready to lay the crankshaft in it. And then we fitted the rings, put the pistons on the rods. Of course, we bounced that assembly up first, so it'd be real smooth, and then fitted that stuff in there and put the camshaft in it, degreed it in. And then we had the cylinder heads already put together, and it didn't take too long after that. Put the oil pan on it, starter, fuel pump, as you can see, carburetor, distributor, and not actually in that order, intake manifold, put all the gaskets in it, push rods, rocker arms. It's got the roller camshaft in it, and the roller rockers, custom length push rods, give it the right valve geometry. And then this carburetor's a custom built carburetor.
Did you build it?
No, a company called Quick Fuel does the carburetor. It's a real tunable carburetor. It's based off of a Holley. This Quick Fuel guy, I think he used to work for Holley, and he spun off on his own 10 years ago or so, maybe 15. Actually buy this cheap in the Holley. It's got MSD distributor, which is pretty good. It's vacuum advanced. We mounted the coil back on the right beside it like it was originally. Put a little bracket here to hold the springs. Like we want to have a complete unit. All the guy has to do is drop it in, put the water in it, antifreeze, hook a fuel line up to it, and hook a hot wire to it, and it's ready to go. Everything's all in one package. You didn't have to go get anything else to put on. But we're not complete. You can see there's no water pump pulley, no harmonic balancer or pulley.
How long did it take you?
That's all laying over here on the side. It took, we got probably approximately between 30 and 40 hours in doing the whole package. The machine work, balancing, the blueprinting, and getting the whole thing. Now we still have to run it in, break it in, and run it in on the dyno, and we're going to try to see how much horsepower it makes, torque. We'll probably run it somewhere between 2,000 and 6,000 just to look at it, see what it's doing, and then we'll adjust according to that. Jet the carburetor, set the timing, go back through the valves, make sure there's no oil leaks. When a guy bolts it down in the motor or back down in his car, he won't have no problems. See, it'll be
You
ready.
said he's putting in the truck?
Putting in a Nova, putting in a 1969 Nova with a 4-speed. We're actually putting the flywheel and clutch and everything on it too.
Huh.
And it'll be like, it's got the starter. There won't be nothing he has to add from the old vehicle.
Okay. Well, I guess I appreciate it, Joe.